Good evening. Welcome to Prasanta Behra Spoken English classes. I have already discussed in my first class Spoken English Lecture 1 how do you greet people. Greet means when we meet people, what to say, how to say. What to say, how to say is the important part of greetings in English language. When we meet people, what to say, how to say. If you meet your friend, you greet to them hello or hi, hello or hi. So when you meet to your friends, you say or greet hello or hi. But when you meet to your teachers or 7-10 years older to you, at that time you greet good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You greet good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to the times. I have already discussed in my Spoken English Lecture 1 class. When you meet people for the first time, how do you greet? How are you? How do you do? How are you? Fine, thank you. How are you? Well. How do you do? Response is also how do you do? I have already discussed all these things in the Lecture 1 Spoken English class. When you meet someone after a while, good to see you again. It's been a long time. Phrases to close a conversation. That means you don't want to talk more with him or her. How do you greet him or her? Good night. See you later. I have all these things I have already discussed in my Spoken English Lecture 1 classes. You can watch this video also. In this class, I shall discuss how do you introduce yourself. Introducing in English is the most important while you meet a stranger, while you are facing interview, when you go to college for the first day. At that time you need to introduce before the teachers, before your friends or classmates. While you are going to face interview, at that time interview members asked you, tell us how to introduce yourself, or how do you introduce yourself. This is the most important. Tell me something about yourself means introduce yourself. While you are going to introduce yourself, first you have to greet. If it is the friend, you can say hello or hi. If you are going to introduce in the interview board, you have to greet good morning or good afternoon. It depends upon the time. I have already discussed in the lecture 1 of spoken English class about the time. How do you greet? After greeting, you have to say your name. What's your name? My name is Prasanto Behera. I also say I am Prasanto Behera. But don't say myself Prasanto Behera. People say myself. It's wrong. You have to say either my name is Prasanto Behera or I am Prasanto Behera. Then where are you from? I am from Jharkhand. You have to say the name of the place where were you born. So in the short introduction you can say that good morning sir, I am Prasanto Behera and I am from Jharkhand. So while you are going to introduce yourself shortly, you have to mention your name and where are you from place. Then you can say that about your qualifications. I did MA in English from Sambalpur University, Jyoti Bihar, Bulla. After the qualification, you can say that about your hobbies. In hobbies, you can say that I like reading stories. I like reading newspapers. I like reading sports magazines. Like this, you can introduce more and more while you are facing the interview. Suppose I am giving another example of introduction, because introduction is the most important part of human life. If you introduce in your mother tongue, you can say in different way, different things. But while you are going to introduce in English, it's difficult on the part of us how we use the language appropriately. Accuracy is the most important while you are going to introduce yourself. If a 5th class student is going to introduce, how he is going to introduce, I am giving examples of a 5th class student. The situation is in a classroom. Before the teachers and students. Good morning. I am Akhilesh Behera and I am from Balangir. Suppose you are going to introduce in a party. In the party, 5, 6, 7, 8 people are there. there you can say that at that time, hello or hi, I am Akhilesh Behera, I am from Gandhinagar Pada, Balangir, I am in class 5. You can say that I am in class 5, or if you say that I am in 5th standard. If you use 5th, then you have to use standard or 5th class. Then you can say that after that, my mother name is Jhumi Behera, my father name is Prasanto Behera, my younger brother name is Aniket Behera. I am interested in painting. I like reading short stories. You can say like this about your hobbies, etc., etc. So if somebody facing an interview, at that time interview members asked you, tell me something about yourself. I am now making the role of an aspirant. I am facing the interview right now. At that time, how we can introduce? Good morning, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Prasanto Behera. I am from Jharkhand, district Bargarh. I did my MA in English from Samalpur University, Jyoti Bihar Bulla. I did my schooling from Jharkhand. We are 6 members in my family. Father, mother, 2 elder brothers, and a younger brother. My strength are I am honest, punctuate, self-motivated, quick learner and hardworking. You can say like this, and at last you can say that about your goal. You can say that about your goal also, about your personality, about your goal. I am a goal-oriented person. I am a hard-working person. So you can also introduce yourself. Write your introduction in the comment box. That's all me. Thank you.